To lose weight easily and successfully, proper eating habits and few exercises are important. Here are some quick weight loss tips to get you started. 1. Keep track of your choices. Write down what you're eating and when. Being mindful is powerful. 2. Manage emotional eating. Ask yourself, am I really hungry, or am I eating for a reason like stress or anger? Learn how to replace emotional eating behaviors with other activities like walking or taking a hot bath. 3. Do not skip breakfast. Studies show that those that eat breakfast in the morning find more success in losing weight. Having breakfast in the morning keeps us energetic for the whole day. Number 4. No sugar products. Avoid eating more sweets or sugar products. It will lead to increase your weight. Occasionally, it is fine to have sweets. 5. Eat water-filled fruits. Watermelon, salad, or soups help you feel more satisfied on few calories, so you can start your meal with those water-filled fruits to eat less of your main course. 6. Exercise regularly. Go for fast walking or jogging for at least 30 minutes in the morning or evening. 30 minutes walking or jogging will burn your calories and body fat. It is very easy and simple exercise which can be done regularly. 7. Drink water. Your body needs water to work at peak efficiency. Water not only flushes toxins from your body, it is also essential for fat burning. In addition, you'll retain more water when you're not giving your body enough. 8. Eat more foods rich in fiber. Eating foods rich in fiber helps to lose weight. Research shows that those increased intake of fiber food found losing weight. Increase intake of green vegetables, fruits, grains, and beans, which are all rich in fiber. It will help you to feel more satisfied in few calories and prevent you to eat more. Avoid bread, pasta, fried foods, white rice, sandwiches, and dairy products. 9. Keep a food diary. A food diary will help you to see where you're eating wrong and see the places that may make you put on weight. Most people underestimate the number of calories they are eating. 10. Eat smaller portions more often. Smaller portions of food eaten more often will boost your metabolism while also ensuring that you are fuller for longer. 11. Enjoy your food. It is important that you enjoy your food and that your senses are stimulated and aroused when you eat. Try out foods with different textures, colors, flavors, and aromas so that it stimulates your senses and satiates your hunger. By this, you can cut on your cravings and eat healthy. And finally, 12. Stay motivated. Reaching your weight loss goal is made a lot easier if you stay motivated on a regular basis. For example, read inspiring books, watch YouTube videos, and look at pictures of people who have the kind of body you want to achieve.
And if you are seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, www.serious-fitness-programs.com/weight-loss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Thank you for watching and see you next time.